continue doing your thing. Continue doing your thing like nothing happened. Because indifference is the best medicine. Yo, what's up, my inspired alphas? Welcome back to another video. Today we are talking about no contact and the correct way to do this. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Check out the link in the description. Check out my website. There are a lot of content there. So let's jump into it. Number one. So no contact is for women who play games with you. It's for women who are not interested in you. It's for women who flake on you. It's for women who are not cooperating. Guys, this is how you do it. Number one. No contact means no contact. No talking. So this is my suggestion to you right now. If you have a pool of chicks and there are those who are playing games, cut them off completely. Because first of all, you are a high value guy. You should have options. If you don't have options, go grind, go to the gym, build that body, go make money, go out there and learn game. Guys, these things, I'm telling you, these things are crucial because you can never successfully do no contact, or no contact will never work if you don't have that abundance mindset, because it's all in here. The moment you know that I am not going to be stressed by any woman, if she starts playing games, boom, I move on. You cut your losses and move on. This is a skill that will help you in very many aspects of life. So guys, cut your losses, move on. Don't talk to her, because the games will continue. You see, there's something you're communicating to her when you can't really get over her. You're communicating to her that even if you still play games, I am ready to compromise my own principles and values for you. And for what? Just to get, you can get it from any girl out here. Why would you bother yourself with the women who are giving you headaches? Well, there are plenty of women out here who are attracted to you, who are beautiful, who are ready to cooperate and submit and to follow your leadership. Why would you do this to yourself? So no contact, number one, means you are not communicating with her. This means that you are not even watching her stories. You are not, you are unaware of whatever it is she's doing. Two, see, this is a mistake that most guys do. They block her. Guys, you never want women to get you emotional, because the best revenge is just glowing up. It's just improving. Make more money. Go out with more chicks. Just improve yourself. That is the best revenge. Now, she played games with you. She flaked on you. She wasted your time. That's alright. That is common. That is women. Everyone is getting played out here. It all depends on with how you react to it. If it is a big deal to you, then you become angry. Oh, I am going to block this woman. She's going to notice, and she will know that I was right not to continue with that guy. Because for real, you are not the guy that you sell yourself to be. You're not true to yourself. Guys, if she's playing games with you, just mute her, or make sure that you distance yourself from her. Let her be the one who is, because one thing I know for sure, women always keep tabs on the men they have been with. They always want to know who is doing better, who is doing worse, so that they can weigh their options and see where the greener pastures are. So you need never block her. Never let her get emotional. Never let yourself get emotional because of a woman. You continue doing your thing. Continue doing your thing like nothing happened. Because indifference is the best medicine. When you're indifferent, it is communicating that, hey, I'm used to, dealing with women. Yeah, that's the reality. Women want men who are used to dealing with women. That way, she knows that this guy is pre-selected. This guy has value. So the moment you stop chasing her, because you can chasing her is just making sure, even viewing her status, viewing her stories, you are validating her. You are telling her that, hey, I'm still keeping tabs on you. No, don't do that. Let her be the one who is keeping tabs on you. Let her be the one who is chasing you, because she's chasing your attention. She played games and she got beat in the ass, but now she's chasing you because she wants to know that, hey, is this guy, did I make a mistake? She's never sure, because you are indifferent. You never gave her that satisfaction. Number 3, you need to glow up. Guys, as I said before, revenge, the best revenge is just you improving. So she left, or she decided to flake on you, or she decided to leave you. So did you die? Are you dead? If you're not dead, then use that frustration or use that emotion. Go to the gym, get in better shape, grind in that business and make more money. Go out and have fun with life. That way, I'm telling you, she will come back. She will follow you until she makes sure that she really has no opportunity in your life. This has happened so many times. This is something I'm telling you out of experience. So guys, focus on you. Focus on you. Take all that anger, go grind with it. Let it be your fuel. And you'll find that it reaches a point where it doesn't even really matter. You are on your purpose. You are on your grind. Whether you meet women, you don't meet women, whether they fall in love with you or you don't really care. You are like, when I find, at some point in your grind, you'll find something that really sticks. Something that, in your dating pool, something that stands out. But as long as she's not standing out, she's just like the rest. She's just a normal woman. So don't stress. Focus on improving every aspect of your life, and you'll see how these women will start popping up. They will start popping up, I'm telling you. Last but not the least, don't be afraid to show off. Guys, now when I say show off, I mean you are not, you're not afraid of your success. So just like, how do I put it? Don't be afraid to let her know, or to let people know you're having a good time. Your life is going great. Because, you're not actually even, you are letting them know, but I don't know, this is something that is deeply innate in us. You celebrate your life, you celebrate and enjoy and have a good time, and you're not afraid of showing it. Now, you are not bragging, you are just humbly bragging. It doesn't really matter, because it's your life. No one is coming to get you because you are having a good time with your life. But you need to let these women know that, hey, bye-bye. it's just like a goodbye, because that is the best revenge, I'm telling you. And the feeling is so satisfying. I know some will say this is shallow, but yeah, this is me, this is who I am. At some point, because I'm telling you, in this journey of life, there will come a point where all these things that we are talking about, we will already have mastered every single aspect, and you know, we are in another realm. But since we are not there, this is still the journey we are in. We will still do everything that, you know, is going to satisfy us, because if you are not feeling satisfied with your life, then I'm telling you, you are living the wrong life. Start living the correct life. So anyway guys, hopefully you got value from today's video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.